Hi everyone, it's Cara. I'm here for our Monday recipe, and today we are making one of my friends on YouTube, Stunning Misadventures. We are making one of their recipes, so I'm going to put the link to it in the description box below so you can go to the original. It is a deconstructed chicken pot pie, so this is going to be fun. All right, so we've got an onion chopped and 2 tablespoons of butter heating up, and we're going to cook the onions until they're translucent. I'm using this butter. It's soy free because I'm allergic to soy. It's non-dairy, earth balance, soy free buttery sticks. So again, I'm allergic to dairy and soy. So that's the butter we got in there. It's 2 tablespoons of that, and then the onion. And ooh, it's starting to sizzle. You can hear it. So when these turn translucent, I will show you the next step. Okay, step 2. So the onions were translucent, and then it said to add a cornstarch and water mixture. So I used 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1/8 of a cup of cold water. Mixed that together, poured it in here, stirred it with the onions. Then I added 1 cup each of organic chicken bone broth and 1 cup of the Oatly oat milk, non-dairy oat milk. So that's in here as well. Then I went ahead and added the spices. So we've got garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon, and sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon. So that is what is in there now. And I've stirred that together, and it's starting to boil. Once it starts boiling, you're gonna set it to a simmer. Set it down to low heat and let it simmer and thicken for at least 3 minutes. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll come back. All right, next step, putting in the veggies and the chicken. So we've got already cooked chicken breast, 2 of these from Sam's Club. That's roughly 2 to 4 cups of chicken, or 3 to 4 cups. I'm doubling the recipe. I actually doubled the sauce since last we talked because I was going to put in all of this stuff, and I didn't think the original amount of sauce was going to be enough for the amount I was putting in here. So their recipe calls for 1.5 to 2 cups of chicken. I probably got 3 to 4 here, and it calls for 1.5 cups frozen vegetables. These weren't frozen, I cut them up. There were some organic multicolored carrots I had in the fridge, and then these are frozen from Mima, and then these are frozen broccoli florets. So I decided that I was gonna have more vegetables and chicken than it said, so I doubled the sauce. But I've tasted it, and it's really good. So I'm gonna stir this all together, and then it just says let it heat through about 2 to 3 minutes. And once all of this is heated through with your sauce, which you can see has thickened, isn't it lovely? Yeah. So we're going to stir this all together, let it heat through, and then I'll show you the finished product. All right, everybody, it's done. Sauce is thickened up. The veggies are all in there. You can serve this over whatever you want. I'm doing toast. I toasted my bread and put the chicken pot pie filling on top. So this is a deconstructed chicken pot pie. You can put it on whatever you want. So suggestions would be toast, any other kind of bread, like a biscuit, if you want to make it more like what the topping of a chicken pot pie would be like, or some other kind of pastry. Or you could do pasta, you could do rice, quinoa, so whatever floats your boat. But this is the finished product of our deconstructed chicken pot pie. Thanks to Stunning Misadventures, link below. Bye.